Greetings! Here we have problem 38, one of the hardest problems I've encountered in my journey so far, in my happy travels. So, this is one of those problems where we want to either guess or skip it if you don't have time for it, or just I don't know. But we'll figure it out right now. So it says two numbers, a and b, are each greater than 0, and 4 times the square root of a is equal to 9 times the cube root of b. If a is 2/3, for what value of x is a to the x power equal to b? So I want to write out this description here first about 4 times square root of a. Why is my pencil so big? I'll make it 2 instead. Okay. Is equal to 9 times the cube root of b. So we have 4 root a equals 9 times the cube root of b. Alright? I'll rewrite this into a fractional form just to make it a bit more intuitive in terms of powers, right? Because we want to do a to the x and not like a radical or anything. We want to raise it to a power. So this side equals 4 times a to the 1/2 power, because 1/2 equals the square root of a number, and 9 times b to the 1/3 power, because that's equal to the cube root of a number. Now we have this, and we know that a is just 2/3 as a fraction, right? So we know that this is equal to 4 times 2/3 to the 1/2 power equals 9 times b to the 1/3 power. And let's divide both sides by 9 here, because I want to isolate b by itself. So we get, 4/9 times 2/3 to the 1/2 equals, real quick, b to the 1/3. And we know that 4/9 is equal to 2/3 squared, because 2/3 squared is equal to, let's see here, 2/3 squared is equal to 2 squared over 3 squared by the property of exponents. So this is equal to 4/9, and we can simplify it like that to make sure we have the same base we do with 2/3 over here, times 2/3 to the 1/2 power as before gets you to b to the 1/3. Now by adding both of these powers together, we can simplify this expression to just one singular thing. So 2/3 to the power of 2 plus 1/2, which is 5/2 if you do the fraction addition there, equals b to the 1/3. Now we want to cube both sides to make sure that we can isolate b by itself. So this cubed, we get b to the first power, so just b, equals 5/2 times 3, which is 15/2. We get b equals 2/3 to the 15/2 power. And it asks basically a to the what power is equal to b. If a is 2/3 and the power is just 15/2, so the answer is x equals 15/2, or if you want to rewrite it as